Greetings, folks. Welcome again to How to Earn Income Online. One mission, one goal. Today, I'm going to show you how to use ads by UAP. It's a pay-to-click site that's free to join, and they pay you for viewing ads. And what you'll do is you have to first start where it says click here. This is going to unlock the ads, and you'll wait on the countdown timer to finish its countdown. You can take a look at the ad if you want. Their ads are usually clickable, and they will open in another tab. And once the countdown timer has finished, all you'll do is click on the upside down character, and that's going to be shown right now. And in this instance, it's the upside down glass. I click, it says thanks for watching. You close that tab, and now all of the ads have been unlocked. The way they do it here on ads by UAP is the first sets of ads are 12 seconds in length. Then they have their standard set, which would be 6 seconds in length. And then you have traffic ads, which are just 1 second in length. I'll show you how they each work. You'll just, again, click on the name that's at the top of the ad, and from there you'll wait on the countdown timer. In this instance, it's 12 seconds. And Free Bitcoin is another great site. I'll get to that one in another video. And please be sure to like and subscribe to the video if you like the content. Now the timer has stopped, and we have to click the upside down picture like so. And there you have it. Thanks for watching. That was a 12-second ad. I'll show you the difference in time and speed. Here on a 6-second ad, you just click and the ad loads and the timer goes. But as you can see, it's moving much faster than that first ad because it's only half the time, just 6 seconds versus 12. I'll click on the upside down picture. There are no cuts, no edits. I'm human. If I make a mistake, it stays. Ta-da! Thanks for watching. And here with the traffic ads, they're only 1 second, and they go through just like that in a breeze. Look at that. Boom. And you're done. And you get the thanks for watching, and you're credited with watching the ads. Now, if you like the content and want to see more of these types of sites, you can please like, subscribe, and share. And I do thank you very much for your time, and everyone have a great day. Oh, and a link will be in the description, as well as links for other pay-to-click sites. Thank you very much.